Okay, this is a super quick demo just intended for Mike and Marty to see. I have my VS Code installed and connected to Python under Anaconda, Python 3.11. And so VS Code knows how to access Python 3.11 and Anaconda, and Copilot is integrated with VS Code. So I've created this little test code, test1.py, and I'm in the editing window. I get asked to press Control I if I want to ask GitHub Copilot to do something. So I'll do that. Control I. Well, okay, I clicked on it. I may not have been in this window. I may have been in some other sub-window. Ask Copilot or type / for commands. Let's do fairly vague prompt here, but let's see what we get. Okay, Fahrenheit to Celsius. Celsius is Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5/9. I'll accept that. And this symbol here is telling me that I can generate something. Okay, define a series of reasonable tests with output displayed to the user. Chug, chug, chug. Here we go. Okay, well, that's Fahrenheit, expected Celsius, actual Celsius. Okay, I'll apply those edits. There we go. So this is a separate program, test_test1.py. And, okay, so this is kind of odd because it's not importing the function. All right, so let me take charge as a knowledgeable programmer. I'm just going to copy and paste this test code over into the test1.py file. And let me save this and run it. Run. Okay, so the output's kind of ugly because of the VS Code wrapping around it here, but we've got Fahrenheit 32, Celsius 0, Fahrenheit 212, Celsius 100, Fahrenheit 98.6, Celsius 37, Fahrenheit minus 459.67, Celsius minus 273.15. Okay, cool. So absolute 0 there. Not bad. If I import math as M, let me say Control I here. Okay, cool. So I asked it for the natural logs of 1 through 5, and it recognized that I had already imported, or I had already asked to it. Sorry, I had already imported math as M, so it made use of that fact. And once again, I'll save it and run. Okay, and we've got the same Celsius and Fahrenheit stuff and natural logs of 1 through 5. Okay, well, okay, when I use the print function manually, I get a quite detailed description of how the print function works, which VS Code itself I don't believe would have shown me, but VS Code enhanced with Copilot does. Funny, it even gives me the exclamation mark at the end of Hello World if I want it. I'll go ahead and hit Tab to take that. All right. And it's suggesting end equals space. I'll take that. Sep equals vertical bar. Sure, what the heck, I'll take that. Let me save that and run it. Run. Okay, so that worked. Okay, so I have heard now I've forgotten the term. I've watched some reviews of people testing Copilot with Python, some YouTube videos. And one person described it as sort of a syntax checker on steroids. I don't think that was the actual description that this person used. I'll have to track that down again. But in any case, so as you can see, this is a nice experience. Having Copilot right in your integrated development environment. I'm kind of skeptical of factor of 5 speed ups of production. I'd take a 50% speed up any day, and I think this offers that for sure. All right, so I'll shut up and post this.